What's going on, Mercado Nation? Welcome back to the channel. This is your host, Mark. Thank you guys so much for stopping by today. As you can see behind me right here, I got a truck waiting for me. I just arrived to my warehouse where I work. You've seen the title of the video. This is my last day at my job that I've been with for the last 10 years. It's crazy to say that. It really is. 10 years. I grew up as a teenager to a young man that I am now. I've been able to accomplish some pretty good things with this company and financially and so on and so forth. But today is it, guys. This is my last day ever with this company. I'm going to show you a day in the life of, an inventory manager. I'm going to do some shipping and receiving here. And we're just going to enjoy this last day together, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and let's go get this guy's paperwork. Got a truck driver waiting for me. I'm going to unload his truck, and we're going to keep the day moving, guys. We're going to make today the best day ever. Good morning. I'll take your paperwork. It's in the back?
Yeah, you can see it on the side.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So as you can see, his paperwork, he said, is in the back of the truck. So we're going to go inside. It looks like someone already opened the door to the warehouse. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Just come in the mornings, make sure that door is locked, unlock it, we're good to go. All right, this is it right here. It's the warehouse. This is what I do every single day, every day when I come here. I know you're probably looking at it like, wow, a lot of stuff. Pretty big warehouse. Pretty big. All right, my morning routine: come in, put my paperwork down, get my trucks going, make sure my equipment is checked off, and make sure it's operating how I need it. There's my double hand truck, the office, and yeah, continue watching, guys. A day in the life of an inventory manager doing shipping and receiving from this warehouse. So as you can see, I'm just checking off my truck as I just checked it out. Make sure everything is good and then sign off on it. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this. Should be fully charged. I charge it at the end of each shift each day. As you can see, charge complete. And now I'm going to jump on this bad boy and start unloading some packaging. That's pretty much it, guys. This here requires a badge for sign on, as you can see. Then my name pops up, the date. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and do my checklist. Pretty easy. Make sure everything works. Any malfunctions? No. Any problems? No. Any malfunctions? No. Is it working properly? Yes. Reversing properly? Yes. Was it sanitized? Yes. Brakes working fine? Yes. Forks in good condition. Everything is good. No leaks. It's safe to operate. Now we're ready to go and start working. All right, so I'm in here. I'm gonna jump on the hand truck. I'm gonna start unloading this truck. So enjoy. What I like to do is, when I bring pallets off the truck, if I see that I need something that's over there to ship out, I bring it on my way. So that way I'm knocking two birds with one stone. For those of you who work warehouse jobs doing shipping and receiving, you understand what I'm talking about. You're not gonna travel down there and come empty-handed when you can bring a pallet or two when you got a double and kind of, knock out your work a lot faster. So that's what I'm doing. I need this. This is down there. I'm gonna go ahead and start staging it when I go to ship my loads. I definitely want to give you a little tour of the warehouse in a little bit. Maybe towards the end of my day. Right now I'm busy. But right now it's actually getting really packed in here. I'm not gonna try to flood the docks with too much product to stage. So yeah, guys, enjoy. right, guys, I'm gonna finish unloading this and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Peace. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Right here, we're all done with door 8. Truck is empty. You hear there's contractors here working, but we're all done. We're gonna unhook the dock lock. All right. Oh. All right, we're all done here. And we're gonna go give the driver his paperwork. So enjoy. We still got 7 more trucks to do today. Whew, it's gonna be a busy day on our last day of work ever. I'll never have to come here again, guys. My new journey begins soon, so enjoy. When it gets busy over here, man. Trucks everywhere. When it gets busy, guys. All right, he signed our paperwork, and now we got another driver backing into door 8 for me. The grind don't stop. Stay tuned. All right, guys, just wanted to give you a better angle of the truck. Make sure it's all part the same. Now you would typically turn on those dock lights, but mine went out unfortunately, so I'll have to swap out the bulb that goes in the light for the trailer. But I can see it's not a safety hazard. I can see right in. It's bright in here. We got a lot of lights. But if you're a dock worker, you know what I mean, that you would typically make sure that your lights, your dock lights are working so that you can see inside the trailers that are really dark. This one is not that dark, so I can see right in perfectly fine. So I'm still able to work safe. Enjoy. So as you can see, I'm kind of running through these loads pretty fast. We're almost done with the second load. I'm gonna get back to you in a minute when we're all done with this truck. Peace out. That's it. Another load in the books. Empty trailer. That's it, guys. 2 down, 6 more to go. So we have a little bit of downtime. I'm in the office right now. I'm gonna receive some paperwork. I'm gonna fill out, the part numbers of what I received in, the date, the codes, the lot codes, the quantity, make sure everything is filled out nicely. Then I'm gonna receive it in here in the system, and I'll show you that step as well. Guys, the day here, they go by fast, especially when you're busy unloading and loading trucks. Today, I got a busy day. I got about 8 or 9 trucks. We did 2 so far, so as you can see, no one's here, so we can't really do anything. So that's gonna give me some time to take advantage and do some paperwork in the meantime while we wait for these other trucks. Another very important part here, guys, is going through your emails. If you have work email, I do this on a daily basis pretty much throughout my day. I go ahead and, clear everything I don't need, and then I go ahead and read all the important emails, whether there's schedule changes or, a driver showing up late or just an issue throughout the company. Everyone's able to share that throughout the company, and then that's pretty much it. Like right here, we got next week's production flavors, which I will not be here next week. Today is my last day, but they're filling me in and letting me know what we're running for next week, so that way it can get planned today so that we can send it next week, or the person that'll be working here will send it. That's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty cool. I like the job. I've been doing it for the last 10 years. I've been doing this specific job for the last 2 years, and I've been working in the warehouse and the cold production line for the last 8 years. So a very long time with this company. So looks like we have another driver here, which is good. All right, here it is. It's not an unload, it's a load. We got to load this truck, guys. I got the paperwork right here of what's going out. Okay, the flavors I'm looking for, I already know where they are. Now let's get straight into it. Third truck is almost loaded, and the 4th one has arrived. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna put the paperwork on the back of the trailer so that the warehouse team at the other plant knows what's on this trailer. Let's get this thing secured. Trailer number 3, all done. Trailer number 4 is in door 9. Let's get to work. All right, guys, this is it. My last 2 pallets, taking them off, as you can see. And load number 4 is in the books. 4 loads so far. I believe we got 3 or 4 more for the day. I'm making the best out of this last day, man. This is crazy. 10 years, man, and this is all coming to an end. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's keep it going, guys. Taking you throughout the whole day, start to finish. All right, starting to load my 5th truck here. As you can see, plenty of light. It's my 5th one for the day. I believe we got 2 more, and we're all done. Guys, as you can see, that was one of the drivers. I'm all done. Door 8 is closed, it's secure. That's the 5th load for the day. Number 5. We got 2 more loads and the day is over. Our last day at this job is going to be complete very soon. I got a couple more hours of work. I'm gonna go eat some lunch and we'll be back at it when he gets back with an empty trailer. All right, my hands are washed. Here's what I'm looking at. I'm eating some steak and cheese quesadillas, some veggie straws. I got some guacamole, some sour cream, and my water. Talk to you guys soon. So right now I'm on my 6th and my 7th truck. Last 2 trucks of the day. Unloading this one and loading this one. So I'm doing both at the same time. 1:09, and we are almost done with our last day, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Just like that, we're all done with the last load going out to the plant. I got 1 more, and that's pretty much it. Last bit of pallets to unload, and we're all done for today. Appreciate everyone staying tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, I am done. That trailer is unloaded. I got the last 4 pallets out here. It's been a crazy day. I've been busy all day. You guys see the journey. You see what my days are like over here and what my last day ever at this company was like. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I got to do some paperwork, and then I got to bring the laptop and the spare keys over to the main plant, give it to our warehouse supervisor, and I'm done, guys. So stay tuned. I am out of here. I got this place looking so clean. I swept all the floors. I organized everything. I'm out of here on a good note, guys. It's been real. 10 years, man. I thought I would be emotional, but I'm not. New journey's coming, guys. This is pretty much it. I'm going to grab my lunchbox, my water. I'm going to grab the keys for my boss, the laptop so he can get on, and I'm out of here. I will do the ending portion of this video very shortly. I hope you guys enjoyed the day with me. Guys, I'm 20 minutes away. 20 minutes away from never coming back to this company again. I'm on my way to our main facility. I got the laptop in the back seat for my boss. I'm gonna give him some paperwork, and I'm out, guys. I'll end this video at home. It's been a pleasure working with this company. It's been real, but it's time to be out. All right, guys. My last punch. And just like that, we are done.